Let's look at setting up your hosting account on SiteGround. SiteGround is a leading web hosting company that lets you connect your WooCommerce store to Printful. To connect with Printful, you'll need an account and a hosting plan on SiteGround. When purchasing any of the 3 hosting plans, your online store gets built on WooCommerce, which comes pre-installed on your hosting account together with the Printful plugin. Let's start connecting your Printful account to your WooCommerce store. From the Printful dashboard, let's move to the sidebar and click on Stores. Then choose Platform and click on Connect WooCommerce. It'll take you to the next page where you need to click on Head over to SiteGround's website and choose the hosting plan. Now you're taken to the Printful and WooCommerce setup page. By pressing Get Started, you can purchase the necessary hosting plan. I'll choose the Startup plan. Here, you can choose a domain. You have 3 options: either register a new domain, use an existing one if you have it, or create a free address on Printful.com. We'll use our free address from Printful. You can enter the name of your domain address down here and then press Proceed. Add in all necessary information to complete the registration. Fill in your billing details and finish the payment process by clicking here. Now let's continue the setup process and go to the SiteGround user area. Click on Websites to make the adjustments to your account by adding extra features. In the Services tab, you can manage your hosting plan. And here you can change your account details. Click here to get instant help with any inquiries about your domain and the hosting platform. Now go to your website's admin panel, press Site Tools, and it takes you into the SiteGround dashboard. Click Install and Manage WordPress, then scroll down. Click Log into the admin panel. This takes you to the WordPress dashboard. Log in if you're asked to do so. To connect to Printful, you'll need to change your permalink. A permalink is a permanent hyperlink or URL address that identifies a web page. You can do this by clicking on Settings and Permalinks. In the permalink settings, choose any other link except plain for WooCommerce API to work. I'll select the post name option here and then hit Save Changes. Let's select the Printful plugin. Now you can connect your WooCommerce store to Printful, so let's click on Connect here. It asks you to allow Printful to connect to your WooCommerce, so hit Approve, and now you're redirected to Printful. Here, you can have the option to create a new Printful account or connect to an already existing one. I already have a Printful account set up, so let's sign in. Next up, confirm the connection. Wait a while. And all done! Your WooCommerce store is now connected with Printful. Now you can start adding products to your WooCommerce store directly from your Printful dashboard. Hit Add Product. We'll add a men's shirt for this example. Choose men's clothing, t-shirts, and the model you want. Next, upload your designs. We'll add a front print for this shirt, so hit Design and then choose File and upload your graphic. You can also create your design right here in our Design Maker tool by using text, clip art, quick design tools, and other features. Back in Sample Files, I'll choose this Printful Eagle. Now you can resize and reposition your print file and make sure to follow along with the print quality information over here for best results. Once that's done, select all the colors and sizes you want to offer the t-shirt in. And now hit Proceed to Mockups. Here you can choose what type of mockup you want to show in your store as product photos, and also choose the image format. Then hit Proceed to Details. Here you can add your product title. We'll name it Eagle T-shirt. You can also edit the product description in this field. As you can see, we already have the basic product info provided. For this example, we'll leave it as is, but you can customize it to your liking when adding your products. You also have the option to attach a size guide that'll be visible on your storefront. Make sure that the product visibility box is checked here and you have added this product to any of the product categories. Next, proceed to pricing. Here you can edit the retail price by setting your profit. you can see Printful's fulfillment price for this t-shirt in this column. Let's say I want to increase my profit from each sale by up to $7. So let's set it here, and the retail price is automatically adjusted. When you've added all the pricing, click on Submit to Store. Here, you'll be able to add new products to your store and see the ones you've already added. If we go back to our WooCommerce store in the Products tab, you'll see the t-shirt we just created. And if we pop back to the Printful plugin, here in the dashboard view, you'll be able to follow along with your order information once they come in. Also, here you have a selection of quick links for easy access. That'll take you directly to your Printful account. Make sure to carefully go through the support section on SiteGround and our WooCommerce FAQ. Thanks for watching. You've successfully connected WooCommerce to Printful. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next video.